Spit Pulsa 27P. The Spit Pulsa 27P is a marvel of fastener innovation, a gas-actuated nailer that doesn't just drive pins, but slices through the inefficiencies of traditional anchoring methods. It's primarily designed for electricians and HVAC installers, but its power and speed make it invaluable across construction disciplines. What makes it stand out is its ability to shoot hardened nails directly into concrete, masonry, and even structural steel without the need for pre-drilling. This tool reduces fatigue, accelerates installation, and most importantly, brings consistency to a job where accuracy is everything. The Pulsa 27P doesn't just fasten. It transforms how teams approach installations at height or in cramped conditions with less noise and more control. Inco AHM112. In a world dominated by roaring engines and battery packs, the Inco AHM112 stands as a reminder of how elegant simplicity can still be a force. This manual reel mower is not just a throwback. It's a thoughtfully engineered tool for modern eco-conscious homeowners. The AHM112 is whisper quiet, emits zero pollution, and requires no cords, fuel, or charging. Its sharp helical blades spin smoothly, offering a clean, scissor-like cut that promotes healthier grass. Beyond its low-maintenance appeal, it gives users a direct, tactile connection to their lawn. It's you, the machine, and nature. No tech, no fuss, just results. EZG PM1 AIR and Grip Hog Vacuum. EZG Manufacturing's PM1 AIR and Grip Hog Vacuum form a duo that redefines how heavy, repetitive tasks are tackled in the masonry world. The PM1 AIR uses a pneumatic system to lift and position pavers, tiles, and bricks with surgical precision. Its ergonomic handle and adjustable suction cup reduce wrist strain and back pain, making it a favorite on commercial and residential job sites alike. But when the material gets heavier, think stone slabs and large blocks, the Grip Hog Vacuum takes over. With its high-powered suction system, it grips surfaces with a vice-like hold, allowing one person to maneuver what used to take two or three. These tools don't just improve productivity, they preserve bodies and extend careers. Zonzini Buddy Lift Plasmoid. If you've ever tried to carry a fridge or server rack up a spiral staircase, you'll understand why the Zonzini Buddy Lift Plasmoid feels like a miracle. Designed for transporting heavy and fragile items up and down stairs, this electric stair climber uses an intelligent tracked system that adjusts to step height and angle. Its standout feature? An integrated hydraulic lift that can tilt and stabilize the load during movement, keeping it perfectly balanced even on narrow landings. With remote controls, variable speed, and a modular design, it doesn't just move objects. It changes what's physically possible for a single worker to accomplish. It's not just safe, it's surgical. Mechanic Creeper. In the dark, cramped world beneath cars, comfort is not a luxury. It's essential. Enter the modern Mechanic Creeper. No longer a flatboard on wheels, today's top-tier creepers feature memory foam padding, low-profile designs for better clearance, and even integrated LED lights to illuminate those hard-to-see bolts. Some come with built-in trays or magnetic panels for tools and nuts, keeping everything within reach. What used to be an afterthought is now a mission-critical piece of kit. Mechanics aren't just sliding anymore, they're gliding into productivity. Electric Thermal Weeder. Sometimes, the most satisfying tools are the ones that let us wage war against the small things. The electric thermal weeder is an elegant solution to a messy problem: weeds. Using intense bursts of heat, often over 600 degrees Celsius, it literally bursts plant cells, causing weeds to wilt and die without chemicals. This is especially valuable in urban areas, around kids, pets, or food crops. Powered by standard outlets or batteries, it's quiet, safe, and kind of hypnotic to watch in action. Best of all, it targets only what you aim at, leaving the rest of your garden untouched. Gutster Demo Bar. Demolition used to mean swinging sledgehammers and hoping for the best. The Gutster Demo Bar rewrites that rulebook with smart leverage and brutal efficiency. This tool is part pry bar, part wrecking machine. Its angled claws are designed to bite under floorboards, drywall, decking, you name it, and tear them free with minimal resistance. The extended handle gives you more torque with less strain, and the spiked teeth can even pull nails on the way out. It's like demolition in HD, cleaner, smarter, and surprisingly satisfying. 18V, Easy Blow Vac. Autumn leaves might look beautiful, but cleaning them up is anything but, unless you have the 18V Easy Blow Vac. This cordless 2-in-1 tool is both a blower and a vacuum, with the ability to switch modes in seconds. Powered by a compact lithium-ion battery, it's light enough for extended use, yet powerful enough to gather or mulch damp leaves and yard debris. Its variable speed control and ergonomic grip make it perfect for everything from delicate garden beds to stubborn wet piles along the curb. When you want convenience without sacrificing capability, this tool delivers. Grube Forstreich, Funkfellkeil TR300. Deep in the forests of Europe, tree felling has evolved. The Grube Forstreich Funkfellkeil TR300 is not just a wedge. It's a remote-controlled hydraulic marvel. Traditionally, felling required a second worker to drive in wedges with a hammer, dangerously close to the action. With the TR300, a single operator can insert the wedge, step back, and activate the mechanism from a safe distance. It lifts the tree with enough force to guide its fall accurately, reducing risk and increasing precision. Forestry work has always been one of the most dangerous jobs on Earth. This device brings it one step closer to being safe, modernized, and efficient. Metmo Grip. Some tools are built to solve a problem. Others, like the Metmo Grip, are built to make you fall in love with the problem itself. Inspired by a vintage 1950s design, this hybrid of an adjustable wrench and vice grip is both a practical tool and a fidget-worthy work of mechanical art. It clamps with intense force, yet operates with silky, smooth motion. Whether you're tightening, adjusting, or just admiring its machined components, it's a tool that turns everyday work into an experience. Built from hardened stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it's one of those rare pieces that feels more like a collectible than a utility. Yet it does the job like few others can. Bosch PFS 7000 spraying paint has always carried a love-hate relationship with pros and DIYers alike. Get it right, and it's beautiful. Get it wrong, and it's a mess. But Bosch's PFS 7000 levels the playing field. With a 1400-watt motor and dual air hoses, this paint spray system atomizes paint so finely that walls, furniture, and even intricate surfaces get a flawless finish. The IL paint technology means you can switch from varnish to wall paint to lacquers with almost no setup changes. It's fast, efficient, and elegant, turning a tedious job into a controlled, artistic endeavor. Whether you're repainting a room or detailing a wooden sculpture, the PFS 7000 delivers studio-level consistency at workshop speed. Terra Pump Terra Plunge. Not all heroes come in loud packages. Some, like the Terra Pump Terra Plunge, work quietly behind the scenes, but save you from gallons of frustration. This battery-powered drum pump is made to transfer everything from water to harsh chemicals, oils, and even fuel, safely and swiftly. With a high-flow nozzle and sealed battery pack, it reduces spillage, cross-contamination, and manual lifting. Think about how often accidents happen around industrial fluids. This pump isn't just convenient, it's a safety net. And for any shop, farm, or warehouse moving liquids regularly, it's an unsung MVP. Extensor Estsch. When you need a little extra reach, but a ladder's too bulky and scaffolding is overkill, the Extensor steps in. This telescoping extension arm mounts onto your tool belt or harness, allowing you to safely and steadily reach overhead surfaces without compromising your center of gravity. It's lightweight, fully adjustable, and surprisingly intuitive to maneuver. Designed for overhead electrical and HVAC work, it can also be fitted with inspection cameras, lights, or tools, making it a dynamic companion for precision work at elevation. It's one of those devices you don't know you need until you do. Then you'll never work without it again. V3. Kneel knees take a beating on the job, especially in flooring, tiling, or electrical work. That's why the V3 Kneel is a standout innovation in ergonomic support. It's not just a knee pad, it's a mobility system. Built into a smooth rolling chassis, the V3 allows workers to glide across hard surfaces while staying low and stable. Memory foam inserts absorb shock, and a pivot design reduces pressure points. Whether you're installing baseboards or laying tile, it keeps your posture aligned and your movement smooth. It doesn't just save your joints, it saves hours off your day by turning crawling into cruising. Distar RMTX concrete cutting is tough business, but the Distar RMTX makes it look like slicing cake. Designed for use on angle grinders, this diamond cutting disc specializes in high-speed demolition of reinforced concrete, rebar, brick, and dense stone. What makes the RMTX exceptional is its hybrid rim geometry, engineered to cool the blade, reduce vibration, and increase cutting speed without sacrificing control. Contractors rave about its longevity and aggression. Whether you're cutting expansion joints, demolishing staircases, or sculpting concrete art, the RMTX is a blade that feels like an extension of your will. Marshalltown Power Trowel concrete work is an art and a race against time. Enter the Marshalltown Power Trowel, a precision tool that turns rough pours into polished masterpieces. With adjustable pitch blades and a high RPM motor, it gives contractors total control over surface compaction and finish. The result? Floors that are smoother, denser, and more durable. Whether you're doing slabs, patios, or warehouse flooring, this trowel ensures a professional-grade finish every time. It's not just about flattening, it's about elevating the final product from functional to flawless. Fields Machine Rocamat Dry. In the specialized world of interior finishing, the Rocamat Dry is a game-changer. This German-engineered dry plastering and texturing machine uses a lightweight floating disc to evenly smooth walls and ceilings, without water. The unique oscillating action allows for fast, dust-free surface prep, and its feather-light head floats over contours, making it ideal for textured or patterned plasterwork. It reduces sanding, eliminates inconsistency, and dramatically cuts down labor time. If you work in drywall or stucco, this machine doesn't just upgrade your process, it transforms it. Optima Chisel Plane. Finally, we finish with a tool that borders on the philosophical. The Optima Chisel Plane is not just a hybrid of a chisel and a plane, it's a sculptor's dream. With a precision ground blade that can be used to shave, carve, or fine-tune intricate joinery, the chisel plane allows for elegant, expressive control over wood. The handle is ergonomic, the balance sublime. Whether you're refining dovetails, shaving a tenon, or adding fine chamfers to a handmade drawer, this tool becomes an extension of your fingertips. It reminds us that even in a high-tech world, there's still beauty in hand tools, especially when they're made with this level of care.